Linking your bank account to your Argent wallet can enhance your experience by allowing you to easily manage your funds. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Open the Argent Wallet app. Launch the Argent Wallet app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once you are in the app, locate the settings icon, usually found in the bottom navigation bar or in the profile section. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select bank account option. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and verify it. After entering your bank details, follow any additional prompts to confirm the linking process. You may need to verify the connection for a small deposit or a verification code sent by your bank. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Argent wallet. Enjoy seamless transactions and better management of your digital assets.